Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Mid Cap Airsoft Mag. Mid-capacity magazines are a popular choice for airsoft players seeking a more realistic experience. They typically hold between 100 and 150 rounds, offering a consistent feed without the need for winding. This means you'll experience fewer jams and a more reliable shot, but you'll also need to manage your reloads more strategically during gameplay. Understanding their mechanics is key to effective use. Loading your mid-cap magazine is straightforward with the right tool. You'll need a speed loader, which is essential for quickly filling your magazine. Simply align the speed loader's nozzle with the magazine's feed port, then press the plunger repeatedly. You'll hear a click as each BB enters. Continue until the magazine is full, usually around 100 to 150 rounds, ensuring a snug fit without overfilling to protect the spring. Once loaded, inserting the mid-cap magazine into your airsoft gun is the next step. Firmly push the magazine into the magazine well until you hear and feel a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. A proper insertion prevents misfeeds and ensures consistent operation. Now, you're ready to fire. The BBs will feed automatically with each shot until the magazine is empty, providing a smooth and uninterrupted firing experience during your game. Proper maintenance is crucial for the longevity and performance of your mid-cap magazines. After each use, it's best practice to unload any remaining BBs to prevent the spring from staying compressed, which can weaken it over time. Periodically, clean the magazine to remove any dirt or debris that might hinder feeding. Store your magazines in a cool, dry environment away from direct sunlight to maintain their material integrity and ensure they're ready for your next skirmish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.